Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
You start by collecting the converter, VGA cable, HDMI cable, and a power supply. Plug the VGA cable into the 15-pin port on your computer, align pins carefully, then tighten screws. Connect the converter's power, USB or barrel, so the internal scaler is energized. Once done, attach the HDMI cable from the converter output to the display input. Do this before powering the display. It forces proper edit negotiation and ensures the converter can read the source signal correctly. You now configure the source. Open display settings and choose a supported resolution. 1080p is safest, and 60Hz. This prevents scaling artifacts. If your converter accepts audio, route audio to the VGA/audio jack or to the separate audio input, then confirm volume is audible. Power the display and choose the HDMI input. Once the display shows a blank or converter splash, wait for a few seconds. This lets the converter read edit and convert the analog RGB and sync to digital HDMI properly. You finish by confirming the picture and audio. Fine-tune the source resolution or display scaling so fonts and UI look correct. If you see no image, first check that the converter's power LED is on, then unplug and replug cables. Loose screws or bad HDMI ports are common. If problems persist, power cycle the converter and source, reduce resolution to a very low preset, and try another HDMI cable or display. This isolates whether the converter, cable, or display is at fault.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.